Alright, bro. I'm about to get on Soldier bitch shit. Soldier Boy. I used to
Damn, that nigga hitting you.
I used to F with Soldier Boy, but nah. Nah, he didn't got whacked. So Soldier Boy, get him. You got it. Check it out. Check it out. What? No, start. Listen.
Jungle Beats, holla at me.
DJ Ill be like Soldier when I grow up.
No. Mama. If you tell your mama that you deserve to be shot, I'm gonna be like Soldier when I grow up. Bro, I ain't gonna lie. Ever since Crank That all the way to Turn My Swag On, Soldier, you had it. After that, talking about coming out the water and his pretty boy swag, gay stuff. Man, what is wrong? You like boys now? You play with boys, booty holes. Oh no! And then check it out. It's dude. Hold up, bro. Check it out.
Ah, shit.
Listen to this, y'all. It's 2 million.
Always knew one day I would become the best rapper.
When that happened,